Hey girls, this is your CGI word problem for May 13th, 2020. And I don't know if you know what those little things are right here, but they are apparently Hatchimals. I don't know if you ever had a Hatchimal, but supposedly it's a toy where then it hatches. Who knew? So today, we have a toy store that has received a new shipment of these Hatchimals to sell during the week, and then a little bit of information about the money that they made. So follow along with me as I read. A toy store received a new shipment of Hatchimals to sell this week. On Monday, the store made $264. On Tuesday, they made $697, and on Wednesday, they sold the rest of the Hatchimals. The toy store made $1,342 in total. How much money did the toy store make on Wednesday? Whew, a lot of important information here. So I'm going to read it again. A toy store received a new shipment of Hatchimals to sell this week. On Monday, the store made $264. On Tuesday, they made $697, and on Wednesday, they sold the rest of the Hatchimals. I'm going to box this word. The toy store made $1,342 in total. Ooh, that's another word that I'm going to box, that word total. How much money did the store make on Wednesday? Oops. So first I want you to think about, are you looking for a part of the money, or are you looking for the total amount of money? Think about the information that they've given you in the problem. They told us about Monday. They told us about Tuesday. We don't know Wednesday. And then they told us $1,342 in total. So hopefully that information right there is sparking an idea in your mind as to whether you're looking for a part or a total. So I want you to pause the video. I want you to solve using plan, solve, check, then resume the video for the review of the solution. All right, so let's review this problem. So I've already started my plan. I know that Monday was $264. Tuesday was $697. Wednesday, I just put a question mark because they didn't tell us what Wednesday was. And for the total, $1,342. Then I made my tape diagram and I broke it up into 3 parts for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. 264, 697, and I put a W for Wednesday. They told me the total was 1,342. So I'm looking for a part. So what I have to do is, well, there's 2 different ways I can solve this. I can start with my total, take away one of the parts, and then take away the other. So 1,342, subtract the 264, and then subtract the 697. I'm going to put that in parentheses because that's what I'm going to do first. And then I'm going to do this. Or somebody else may have put something else in parentheses. Having a little bit of a hard time fitting it here. Maybe somebody else said, no, I'm going to add the 264 plus the 697 first, and then I'm going to take that and subtract it. So I'm going to use one of these strategies, one of these equations for my solve. I'm going to use one of them for my check. So the first one, I'll use the first one I put for my solve. So I'm going to start with the total. And first I'm going to subtract the 264. And I get 1,078. Now I'm going to take away that 697. And I get $381. So that would mean that $381 was collected on Wednesday. And actually, I'm just going to do the other solve here. And for my check, I'm going to add all these parts together and see if I get my total. So maybe somebody else solved it differently, like the way I'm going to do now. I'm going to add that 264 and 697 first. Now I'm going to take this 961 that I got from Monday and Tuesday, and I'm going to take it away from my total. Oh, what am I doing? I don't have to borrow. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now I have to borrow. 14 minus 6 is 8. And then I have 12 minus 9 is 3. I get the same answer of W equals $381. Now to check, I'm going to add these parts and make sure I get to 1,342. So I already know what Monday and Tuesday are. Monday and Tuesday are 961. So I'm going to add that 961 to the 381 I got. There's the total, 1,342. So we are correct. On Wednesday, they made $381. Two different ways to solve it. Remember, there is not one way to solve a problem. There may be several different solutions. So have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.